Hey guys, today is a little different. I just want to keep practicing 4.4 in order to make sure that we do a good job with it and that we understand it before we go on. So today will be a little lesser of a lesson, a quick video, but the practice today is going to be from the last 2 or 3 days. So you want to check out those old videos if you want to relearn it. But today I wanted to talk about how to do this in the calculator. And then you're going to have some problems, and I'll do some problems that are on the right here on the uh, homework today. Okay, so first off, to get your calculator, get that ready. I'm just going to click clear so you get rid of that message. If some reason you're something like this, remember you could click second and then mode, quit. It'll get you back to the normal window. Okay, so to do logs and to do ln's is very simple. So let's do number 13, which is log 18. So how are we going to do log 18? Well, if you start from the bottom of on button and move up 3 spaces, there's a button that literally spells log. When you click it, it automatically is the one with no number showing. And the one that's with no number showing, if you remember, is base 10. So this is automatically log base 10. Then you simply type 18. I like to close my parentheses just to make sure. It doesn't really matter in this one. And then click enter. So I got 1.255. Let's see, how many did you say? 3 decimal points? So my answer should be 1.255. Now let me just scroll down. That was number 7. Am I looking at the right thing? You gave me 2. What is this? Oh, this is I'm sorry. It's number 13. Sorry for spending a little bit of your time. 1.255. Okay, good. So 1.255 is the answer for this one. All right. Let's do ln of 9. So ln, if we look at the calculator, put our finger back on button. We're going to move 1, 2 up, and that's where the ln button is. So you simply click ln, type in 9, close parenthesis, equals 2.197. That's number 16. So let's see. Number 16, 2.197. Okay. So straight up, that's how you use calculator to solve these. Now notice here they have different bases. Well, this one is log 10, but let's say this one has a different basis. That's why you have to not use a calculator for that section. So don't use a calculator for that section. You have to remember, rewrite it. I don't really have a drawing tool. So rewrite it as you move it equal x and then move the 8 over. So it's 64 equals 8 to the x power. All right. Over here in the first section, they're asking you to rewrite it as an exponent. So you just, let's say for this one, take the base 10 and move it underneath the 1. Take the base 2 and move it underneath the 2. Take the base 6 and move it under the 2. So it would be 36 equals 6 squared. This one, use calculator. This one, remember, we could cancel out when we have the same base. And is that everything I want you to do? Yeah, so your homework will be from 1 to 24. These should be relatively simple in terms of like the work you need to show. So there's not much work you can show for this. But hopefully this helps you understand it a little bit more, okay? All right. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. Shabbat Shalom and all that. Next week, we'll start 4.4 or 4.5 and 4.6, okay?